Made in India.
Yeah, made in India. That tagline, made in India.
So why did you decide to go ahead with this internship?
Yeah, AI is a future, so I choose it.
Are there any challenges that you have come across while building such huge projects?
Our company has many products which built by AI, which maintained by AI.
Hello and welcome everyone to another episode of Journey with AI Interns, where we will see what they are learning in the world of AI. Today we have Tarun, who is interning with us for past 1 month. Welcome Tarun. So could you please introduce yourself?
Hi, I am Tarun. I completed my bachelor's in Electronics and Communication Engineering at Sona College of Technology, Salem, Tamil Nadu. And after completing my bachelor's, I am planning to take a networking field, so which going to lead our future growth of India. After I chose that networking, I was planning to take which institute should I choose.
Right.
So after I came to know about Networkers Home, so I came direct to the Networkers Home and I was investigated about that what are the facilities and courses they are providing.
Okay.
I am happy with that and I chose that Networkers Home.
Okay. So what made you choose Networkers Home? What stood out to you while you were doing your research?
While doing my research, I came to know about they are providing that real practical sessions.
Okay.
And there are many good mentors are available in Networkers Home. So I am happy with that and I chose that Networkers Home.
So why do you think that practical application is important when you are choosing an institution? Like what value does it hold?
Only theory alone, it will not give a scope for us.
Right.
A day-to-day practical will give to know about the real troubleshooting. So while do practical, we came to know, we will know about what are the troubleshooting we are facing day-to-day.
Yeah.
Then that will strengthen our career.
Yes, thank you so much. How did you get to know about the internship here at Networkers Home?
I am basically an NH student.
Oh.
In NH group, they provided there is an offer about an internship in networking AI. I attended that interview. I got selected. So I 1 month completed.
That's great. So why did you decide to go ahead with this internship?
Yeah, AI is a future. So I choose it. I am doing networking. With networking, the AI is implemented.
Oh.
So it's a good one for my future career growth. So I choose that internship.
That's great. So what kind of projects are you working on recently here as an intern?
While starting my internship, I was working with several projects, not a specific projects like Quick JTNA, 24 Observe, like Ola Sync, like these projects. Now handling one main project like Ola VPN and one more project like Ola Mail. So these our company has many products which built by AI, which maintained by AI. So it's very good one.
That sounds really interesting.
Yeah.
Can you tell more about these products that you mentioned?
Yeah, Ola VPN is that all products are Indian based.
Oh.
So India has put on rule about all informations of Indians should be in India.
Right.
No information should go out of India. So we are using Gmail, Google, all are outside of India.
Yes.
So our company is building to that Indian rules. So it's all for nearly we are building 49 plus tools.
That's huge.
Yeah. So it's all based on India. Origin is India. Origin is Bangalore.
Made in India.
Yeah, made in India. That tagline, made in India. So that the Indians don't need to worry about their personal informations.
That's a huge deal.
Yeah, and there is no manual testing. All are AI integrated.
Okay.
Our tools are all are AI built and all are AI integrated and testing. So if we know AI, we can manage that tools. So all are automated. If there any tools goes down,
okay,
we don't want to wonder about it. It's all it will give that notification about it.
okay.
So specifically about the products means I'm handling Ola Mail, which is our Ola software companies made
right.
it.
Yeah.
It can send mail and it has some channel personal chats like all are integrated one tool. So we can send mail and we can have some group chats, privacy chats, one-to-one chats. So all are integrated tool that one.
This looks like all in one.
Yeah, all in one
package.
Yeah. It's and about Ola VPN, it is an VPN. I'm just testing. I'm just started about in that project.
Okay.
Okay, and my other projects are handling by my colleagues.
Okay, that's all right. I think this is something really amazing that you all are creating for us.
Yeah.
Yes. So you spoke about these products. Are there any tools that you're using or focusing on while building these products?
We are using AI, which is anti-gravity and open code, VS Code. In VS Code, we have an extension called Ulima.
Oh,
Okay, we are in that we have several agents like Claude, Kimi, like that. In VS Code, we are testing in that our products, and anti-gravity also we are testing.
okay.
Like we have what are the issues are there in the product. We are integrated to that AI our product. So we'll integrate this to in an AI agent. We'll test it that.
Okay.
And we came to know about what are the core core issues are there, and we are the network engineers, so I will solve about. We take that AI idea and we will solve by ourselves.
That's amazing. So you can say that you are not just dependent on AI, but you are someone who is using the AI for making sure that it completes the task you are giving, right? And I think that's amazing, and that itself is a skill. Can I say that?
Yeah, it's skill, because what prompt you are giving for that regarding only that the AI will give that answer.
Absolutely.
If we give a wrong prompt, it will totally mess up.
Right.
So we can't handle it. It will totally destroy our product.
Okay.
So we should be very conscious about our prompt. If we give a good prompt, what we actually want. If they give it the actual prompt, it will give that actual answer.
Okay. Yeah, that's amazing. So, are there any challenges that you have come across while building such huge projects and dealing with this field?
Day to day I'm facing some problems.
Okay.
Because day to day we are identifying some bugs, and we need to troubleshoot it and we need to implement it.
Right.
So it is our products are now not test based. So while our tools when it goes to a customer, it should be perfect.
Yes.
So we need to identify that full core depth knowledge about that product, and we need to do it.
Yes. That shows that you are doing a lot of hands-on experiments here at during your internship, right? Yeah. So anything that you learned here in your internship which you think you will carry on for your rest of your life?
Yeah, I after started my internship, I tell about that exact prompt. No, so I learned about that exact prompt, how to give that prompt, how to get the answer, what we need the answer. We are getting that, and these all products are going to rule in future. Our products, so all are Indian made, like that. Indian tag is there. No,
yes.
So it's each tool has some existing tools are there. Now we are using, but each tool has some one or two existing tools combined.
Okay.
So it's very great for the customers.
I think it's totally unique and
unique.
one of a type, you can say.
It's 1, 2 or 3 existing tools combined in one tools, our tools.
Okay. Yeah, that sounds incredible.
Yeah.
Any last thing that you would like to tell our audience who wants to come here and intern with us at Networkers Home?
Well, coming to that internship, if they are really interested in AI and networking related, they can choose this internship and Networkers Home. Now, Networkers Home also fully they changed that models to regarding that AI era.
Okay.
So in the course was also related to networking plus AI, how the students would go on to the future. So if you need to choose the Networkers Home, you can choose, because they also updated. If you need to choose that internship, if you have any specific in networking and AI related, you can choose our Vola software company. And one more thing, I need to thank some members in my journey. First of all, I thanks to Mr. Vikaswamy sir, who believed in me and gave me internship. And second of all, Mr. Sumit, he is a mentor in NH. He is not a mentor, and he is a motivator for me.
Okay.
And he is like my brother. He will full motivator. He is like friendly, not for me also, all NS students. So I will not, for you alone I will give some inputs. For him I will not, like that. No, he is not. He will give full inputs to all.
Okay.
And Mr. Tamil Selvan is also my mentor in my journey in NH. And thank for him also. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We are really hoping you the best going forward, and we hope that you get to learn a lot.
Yeah.
Okay. As you all saw that in every episode, you're getting to know something new about each intern's journey. If you still want to see more of it, keep watching our channel for more such interesting stories on artificial intelligence and how it can change the world going forward. And as you saw in today's conversation, the highlight was how we are building products which are made in India and how they are going to change the world going ahead. So if you want to know more, keep watching. Thank you.